The heavy-duty Sebo 370, a two-motor vacuum with separate suction and brush motors, is Sebo's quietest upright vacuum. It features an aggressive power head with manual brush height adjustment and a convenient instant-use cleaning wand and suction hose. In addition, the vacuum features an electronic controller that alerts the user to problems such as clogs, a worn brush, a full bag, and when brush height is set too high for optimum cleaning. It also automatically shuts off the brush roller when it's jammed to protect the motor and belt from damage. The first step of Sebo's legendary three-step microfiltration system starts with our multi-layered top fill bags. The easy-to-change bags collect the vast majority of the debris. They also ensure continuous strong suction because dirt enters from the top, deposits at the bottom, accumulates upward, and air exits out the sides. Step 2 is Sebo's S-Class electrostatic microfilter, which attracts and captures microdust particles from the airflow of the vacuum. Step 3 is the exhaust filter, which again cleans the air as it exits the vacuum motor. Buy a Sebo vacuum today, the world's best for healthy homes, where reliability is standard.